Hello everyone, this is your math teacher and your math buddy Swapna. Today I'm going to show you how to use the z values I'll just let me open this. So how to use the z values in a normal distribution to find the area on the left of the line. So only I'm considering right now the left hand side. Alright. So let me just show you. It's basically simply done on the calculator. So I'm going to show you a couple of steps, but let me clear my calculator first. I'll go for shift, clear all the memory, which is 3, oops, reset. So all my calculator is clean, as good as new. So let's consider the first case, which is given right here, in which I have to find the shaded region. So and you have a formula already to find the z value, and if sometimes the z value is given in the question, in those cases, if this z value is already given, you can find the area on the left, to the left of this line. So to find the area, you simply go to the calculator. First, you have to put it in the stats mode. So mode 3, and then you go for just 1, and then you do AC. So now you see there is a stats written on my calculator. After that, as you need to find the area, you can press shift. You see stats 1, and then out of these, I'll be going for the distribution because I am in normal distribution, so 5. Now there is 1, 2, 3. 1 is used to find the area on the left. Q is used to find the area to the center, 0 to something, and R is used to find the area to the right. But we'll just stick with Wahad, 1, P. So let's just use 1. Now you see P. This is the Z value I need to put in here. It's minus 0.67. Once I do that, and I press equals, I can see a value, 0.25143. All right, 0.25143. Now this represents the area on the left. That's as good as, you don't have to use the whole table thing. You can just find the area here. But remember, you're just focusing on the left-hand side. Now the question arises, how do we solve a question like this, where you have to find the middle 50% or something like that? So, same process. First you will find the area, let's say it's area 1, which we already have, 0.25143. Now this area means I'm looking at the left part. Then I will find the area 2. The same way, I can just use the left and edit this to plus, whatever the value is, or just make it normal. It's positive by default. 0.74857. 0.74857. Once I have these two values, now this 0.74857 is this whole area. What I want is only this area. To find that, now I can simply subtract the smaller area from the bigger area. So it's going to be area 2 minus area 1, 0.74857 minus 0.25143. So on the calculator only, I can just do minus 0.25143. When I do that, I will get the answer, which is 0.49714. Please remember, these values are the outputs and they are area. So this area is what I'm talking about. I was able to find it out by using just the left hand side. Again, if the question is like case 3. Still, you are going to do the same step. So shift, you see there's a stats already, shift 1, 5, 1. Now you're going to write down the same value, 0.67 positive, which I already know is, so area to the left this part is 0.74857, which I already know from here also. Now, the total area of this curve is always 1. I simply have to subtract it to get the area on the right hand side. So I can rewrite it 1 minus this, or I can simply do positive because area cannot be negative. So 0.25143. And also you can see, because of the symmetry, this area on the left, this part, is equal to this part. They are symmetric across the center, which is 0. So left hand side and right hand side are exactly identical to each other. That's the benefit of being a normal distribution. So I hope that helps, and that will help in your exam. Remember, if the z value is given, all you need to do is you need to set up your mode to stats. Just press 1, then AC. Then you need to press shift 1, comes up 5. And then we will use only 1, not 2, not 3, to avoid any confusions. This is z value. Put the z value, the answer will be your area. All right. So I hope that will solve a lot of problems, and see you in the next video where I'll be teaching you a shortcut with a calculator related to distribution again.